May is a very cursed dog, and today I will tell you about her. When we got her, she was all calm, but once you really get to know her, like I do, you see how cursed she is. She has a thing called flycatcher's disease, and she is really bitey. May, stop biting the curtain. Stop it. You're gonna bite me. May, stop biting. Sorry I couldn't get a video of her doing her flycatcher's thing, but she does not do it very often anymore because we got some medicine for her. That's all for today's story. I hope your puppy isn't bitey and doesn't have this rare disease. Bye.